Hello everybody, welcome back to the Pixel to Pix channel. Today we are going to be making spaces for my new PC build, which you are going to be seeing in the future in gaming videos. To start off, you will need a lathe, which, yeah, I doubt many of you will have. So first off, make sure your tool is at least maybe, how much would that be, a millimeter away from your piece of metal. Then untighten the chuck, like so. Make sure you don't tighten it up more, otherwise that'll be bad. But anyway, once you've done that, you can put that in a safe place where you'll know where it is. Then you will need to move this forward a little bit, like so. Then you'll need a measuring tool, a trusty tool like this perhaps, and you would use this end of your measuring tool closer up, and yeah, so all you'll do is you will put it by your metal and your tool. You would gently push your tool forward a bit, so then it's nearly touching the metal, but not just about. Then once you've done that, you can just measure it. I've set mine to 15 millimeters because that's the measurement of the thing. Then just push it forward to the ruler bit of your measuring tool. There. Once you've done that and got it perfect, you will need your chuck key, and you will tighten your chuck up. Like so. Make sure not to undo it, otherwise you will have to remeasure everything again. Do it up nice and tight. There we go. Now just remeasure it again because it might have moved during the process of doing your tightening it up. Make sure it doesn't have any debris on it like this has, and just wipe it like that. Then measure it again. Make sure it's maybe 15 millimeters, 20 millimeters, depending on what you're using. There we go. It's good. Now you will need to push this forward back here, which you currently cannot see, but it pushes this bit forward, which then catches it when it gets cut off. Catches this just here, which is the metal bit which we're going to be cutting. So just don't gently move it, because if you move it too far, then it will cut, and your lathe will cut it off. Then you'll need to switch it on, like so, and just gently push it forward. If you push it forward too fast, it will make really rigid and nasty cut, and just push it forward, only like so. So yeah, just like that. I'm doing it a bit faster. You can do it at any speed you like, just as long as it's not too fast. Then turn your lathe off. You need to pull back the bit which holds it, like so, and that's what you get. It's not gone through. There we go. That's what you've got, and after that you just need to pull your tool back a bit, and there you go. Now you can do the process all over again how many times you want. You can do 40, you can do 100, and there you go, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye!